Indian population is much higher. The avenues we need to seek outside also. So that may be the initial requirement. But as you said, yes, you need to give back to the nation because the nation has nurtured you, has brought you up, has educated you. And then it should be in their mind, it should be inculcated along with the education that they have a responsibility to the nation. And I cannot pinpoint at any system or any institution or anybody and not accusing anybody, but definitely the culture of patriotism, the feeling of patriotism, the development of self with the nation, it has to be more emphasized. The brain drain, in one way, we cannot say it is totally of no use. Yes, they represent India. They name on the name, fame, and name the money also for India from outside. But thinking that that is the the end of life, yeah, the last uh, dream of life, and that becomes a problem because they tend to serve not the nation, they tend to forget the nation once they leave the country. But there are examples who are promoting more Indianness outside India than we who are here in India. We cannot say they are unpatriotic, definitely. They have gone out for their meals, what we call their livelihood, but the feeling should be within their heart. Their activity should depict that they are more Indian than alien. And in all parts, whenever there is a need or requirement for the nation, they should stand with the nation. And many are doing it. Definitely, the educational institution and system can bring it as a part of curriculum to know the responsibilities. We have a right uh, awareness. The human rights and the constitutional rights awareness is much better in everybody. But the responsibility, what you should give back to the nation, that is least taught, least educated, and least cared for. I hope time will come with every institutions catering to the develop the awareness, interaction, and activities along with the forces. The freedom ends when you mention about discipline, but it is in your attitude. You look at freedom as a discipline. Yes, you need discipline in freedom, and you look at discipline, you have freedom in discipline. It's your attitude. Discipline definitely requires you to say no to many things, contain yourself and control yourself. But that is the absolute freedom. Freedom to remain disciplined is not with everybody. I hope you get it.